It's estimated that about 7 million crashes occur each year on U.S. roads, and many times, bad weather is the culprit. When the road gets slick, traction becomes the deciding factor between keeping your cool and a crash. Let's talk about the importance of traction next. The Department of Transportation has reported that nearly 50% of weather-related crashes trace back to slick roads. That points directly to one thing: how well the tires connect to the pavement. Traction certainly lends itself to performance, but it's also about safety. It's the resistance between the tire and the road that lets a vehicle move, turn, or stop. Every time a tire transfers torque from the axle to the pavement, traction is doing its job. And when that connection breaks down, whether from worn tread, cold compounds, or low pressure, control disappears. I would describe braking as a subcategory of traction. It only happens when the driver hits the pedal, but it depends upon that same frictional grip. That's why tire design, tread depth, and compound choice all determine how quickly a car can stop on wet or dry pavement. Tire manufacturers understand this better than anyone. Some test for braking resistance in every condition, like dry, wet, ice, and snow. Others focus on a tire's coefficient of friction, which defines how much grip it can generate under torque. Both standards aim for the same goal: to keep that contact patch working when road conditions become unpredictable. Make sure your customers know this too and understand what level of traction they can expect in their next set of tires. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.